Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to draw a beautiful landscape using acrylics on canvas. I will start off the painting by using blue acrylic paint to create the sky. I have also added some texture of white acrylic paint and mixed it thoroughly to create a real effect to the sky. Furthermore, I'm making it super smooth and blending it so that it would be a single texture. Now I have used gray color and I have mixed a little black color into white to create this shade of gray. From this gray color, I'm drawing the road, which is the center of this scenery. Furthermore, I have added a little black color on the edges of the road to make it look more real. Now, I have used a green color to fill these white spaces that would add nature to the picture. These green sides are basically the green belts across the roads, on which I will draw some trees to make it look more real. Half the picture has been completed here and I have made sure to make it as smooth as it could be to let it in a single texture. Now I'm creating some of the trees across the end of the road so that it would be more like a real painting. Furthermore, I'm creating some of the clouds at the top and I'm just making some detailings on the road so that the whole picture would look wholesome and like this. By minor detailings, I have created some real look to the picture. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. Thank you.